Hi guys, I'm John from Aaron's Apartment, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to do your digital ID check through our system. So before we get started, there are 3 ways that you can do this. There will be through the banking app, there will be through just your passport and a selfie, and there's also the option of through your passport and driving license with a selfie. So first of all, we're going to be doing the online banking. So as you can see on the screen, you'll get a sort of a link in an email from Contact Aaron's Apartment. All you do is click that link and click Verify My Bank. Choose your bank, mine's HSBC, and then you click the button at the bottom that will then take you to your online banking. Obviously, I'm going to blur out my details here. So you just select your account and confirm the details, and you'll get taken back to here. And then it's very important that you go back to the window where you originally came from. So normally it opens a new tab if you do it on a phone. So go back to the other one, and then you'll be shown your share details. So just make sure everything's correct, and then press the share button. So that will load. And then it's very important you'll be taken back to our home screen, and that means you are completed. When you see that green banner, you are done. Okay, so the next is using the passport and driving license. Again, you'll get another email with a link to click, and this will take you back to OneID, and it will ask you to scan your document. I think the first one's a driving license. I think let's see what it asks for. First, you've got to confirm the privacy consent. You've got to do this to be able to continue, and then make sure you click allow the camera, otherwise you can't take the photo. So then, first of all, it's the driving license. So you just click capture my ID. I'm going to blur mine out again. But all you do is just get it in focus, make sure the full thing's there, and then take a photo. Then once done, it will say it's all good, and it's time to capture your passport. Very similar again, you've got to make sure the full passport is in the camera. If you cut any of it out, it can result in a failed ID check. So just make sure it's all there, all clean, no like glare from any lights or anything, and get the photo taken. Once done again, it will just scan your documents, take a second to verify them. This can take up to 30 seconds sometimes, depending on the internet connection. And then once that is done, it will ask you if the details are correct. So there should be, it's just taken from the photos you've taken. So you click they're correct, if they are. And then again, it will verify your details. And the next one, it will ask the same about the passport, if that's correct. So again, I'm blurring my details out here, but everything was correct there, so that's great. So you just click my details are correct at the bottom. And then when it does this, it's time for a little selfie. So then it will open up your camera, and basically you've got to put your face in that green line. Hey John, look, there's me. And then so just make sure you like that, and then take the photo. It will verify your identity. It's very quick. It's very easy to do. So there you'll get verification complete, and you'll be redirected. Again, this is going to go to our home screen, to Aaron's Apartment. It's important you get that green box at the top. If you've got that, you are done. If you don't get that, try again. You've got to get to that page. And finally, using TrustID and the passport, you'll get an email from TrustID this time. There'll be a text saying click here to get started. You'll click that, and it will take you to TrustID. It'll give you a little bit of information, so you just need a photo and a selfie. Again, just please read carefully, you consent, and then just answer these questions. So I am a British citizen and I have a biometric passport. Biometric passports are the passports with the little camera on the front of the passport. So if you've got one of those, you've got a biometric passport. Then again, I'm just taking a photo of the passport here. Then so it's just, it'll process passport details, and then it's going to do a liveliness check, which is basically taking the selfie again, like we did for OneID. Again, pretty straightforward. You need to make sure that you've allowed access to your camera. If you haven't, you will be greeted with a black screen. So if you're too close, it tells you to move away. It's important you move a little bit during this, just so it can tell that you're real and not a photo. So that's why I just go forward and backwards, so you can kind of see you. So move your face, and it'll be able to tell that you're a real person. And it takes a scan of your face to make sure. And there you go. Your ID has been submitted for verification. You can now close the window. And that's it. You are done. Hopefully that was pretty straightforward for you. The process normally takes 2 minutes maximum. But if you do need any help, we're always here to help. Just give us a call or email. And look forward to seeing you in some other hints and tips and videos. Thank you.